This is Racer Electronics and PS2 Repair here. I thought I'd give a quick revisit on this power supply earlier today. And I had a revelation. I was going to get some parts, I was going to change the regulator and all that stuff, and I thought, well, if this is the same as a Delta power supply, caps like to go bad on these. Besides this optocoupler here. I already changed that out, no big deal, it's sitting right here. You know, I had some in stock. Well, I figured, I was looking on YouTube, just chilling, I thought about it and I looked at my own video and then I had a revelation. These 27 microfarad 35 volt caps like to go bad on, come on, focus, on all these power supplies, and that's a big thing with these is they don't get within tolerance anymore because they've been sitting for like 20 years. So I was like, all right, I'll change it out. And lo and behold, meter's at 0. And we have 11.82 volts on this one. Like I said, it's like pin 1 and pin 3. And we have power. I thought I'd do a quick video on this. Like I said, I thought I'd get it at a later date, but I had a revolution on this one and thought, well, why didn't I change the cap? 2 while I was in there. You silly goose. Like my motto is, when in doubt, change that cap out. This one is now refurbished and ready to go back into another PS2. I think I'm going to put it back in the same PS2 I took it out of. And put my parts PS2 back together with the original power supply in it. Like I said, I got more videos coming. I can't believe that I never thought about that earlier this morning when I got that in. Like I said, when in doubt, change it out. So I always, from now on, I'm going to change this cap and change this. Or for all I know, it was just this cap. But I know on these they go bad a lot, all the time. And when in doubt, like I said, change that cap out. On this board, which is particularly a 1-468-623-31. When in doubt, change the cap out. I should do it automatically from now on now. Like I said, this is Racer PS2 and Electronics. Fix the power supply on a revisit. And we got 11.82. I got a good power supply. I guarantee you if we put this in PS2, it will work. Let me get a PS2 out and I'll get back to you in a minute. We are back. I just put it in my parts console. My 3001R. I'm just going to test it in here quick. The board is bad in this one. I already know that. But this will be a good test to see if the light comes on and all that good jazz. So when in doubt, change caps out. I had a revelation. Why don't we change the cap out? I do it all on my other power supply repairs. Why didn't I do it on this one this morning? And I have a revelation at 8:30 at night. Oh, let's try changing that cap out. You didn't change the cap out. That's why I said, when in doubt, change the cap out. I gotta hook the ribbon cable back up on this one. I am going to do a board swap out on this one. I have a board coming, so I can show you guys how to swap out a board fairly easily on these. You don't have to take a bunch of screws out and take the heatsink thing out or nothing like that. Excuse the camera and all that. Let's get this hooked back up so I can get it back in the case. Here's all your hookups. If you want to hook up your drives and all that stuff, they're all down here. They're kind of funky. I have to get this back on. So I'm going to flip this thing around. I'll flip this thing around and get the cable hooked up and get it back in the case, and we'll be right back. And we're back. I got it all temporarily put back together. Like I said, this is my parts console. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And we have a standby light, folks. Let's see if it turns on. Sure does. Like I said, this is Racer ps2 and electronics repair with another successful power supply repair on that particular board. Go ahead and shut this off. I'll go ahead and shut the switch off. So, like I said, I put that repaired one in there earlier today, so let's leave that one in there for now. I'll just leave that in my parts console. I got a couple Nikon ones that I'm gonna look at some caps on because these are 27. That was a 27 microfarad 35 volt. Like I said, I have a bunch of these caps. Come on, focus. You're not going to find a 27 microfarad 35 volt. See? 35 volt, 27 microfarad. I replaced it with a brand new so we can get it to get my hand in there. I did a 33 microfarad 35 volt. The voltage don't matter and the microfarads don't matter as long as it's rated more for what the purpose was. So the other one was 27 microfarad 35 volt, and I put a 33 microfarad 35 volt. I went up on the microfarads. That's totally fine in an electronic circuit. You're not going to find a 27 microfarad 35 volt. Like I said, these are about $1. They're like $1. I bought a whole ton of them because they were like 50 cents a piece or something. Like I said, like and subscribe. I'll get this video up ASAP so people can get that repair done ASAP if they ever have a problem. Like I said, I should have changed the cap earlier this morning when I changed that optocoupler. I just had a revelation. Why didn't you change it this morning? So, like I said, bye-bye for now. I got some more repair videos coming. Like I said, we're probably going to do a board swap on this parts console. I got a good deal on eBay for a parts console for a 39001 for like 12 bucks, and it was like 10 bucks or 15 bucks shipping. It's destroyed. I mean, it's good for parts. The whole entire face is all busted off. The side things are missing. That's not part of my refurbishment standards. I usually buy those for parts. If you're gonna buy something from me, it's gonna be looking good and it's gonna have minor scuffs or scratches or something like that, but it will work and it will have a new laser in it. Check out my oops, sorry about the hand there. Check out my eBay page. I'll put a link in the description for the listing if you're looking for one of these. Refurbished, they always have new lasers in them, or I repair them to the standard I set, and that's my standards. Like I said, you can't really get parts consoles these days for less than $50. It's kind of ridiculous. But with shipping, one person offered me today $35 with a $30 shipping fee, and I'm like, no, that's $70. What am I gonna do with a console for $70? Those are the types that you keep for yourself. Like I said, please like and subscribe and help support the channel. And hopefully I'll put up another video soon. I got some more stuff coming. Hopefully, another one with a no power problem coming. Maybe we can fix that one as well and refurbish it on camera. Like I said, hopefully we'll get this to somebody who can actually use it. And I'll talk to you guys again soon. See you on the flip side.